Welcome, Meatless Dish family. Today we're going to be making a quick and easy hummus with some zing. It's the perfect creamy snack you can pair with your favorite veggies or chips. If you're new here, I lost over 60 pounds in 2019 and kept it off cleaning up what I eat without sacrificing taste. This is one of the dishes I'd make when I want to chill out and have some dip. Hummus is something I really didn't discover until later in life, but now that I have, I make this or some other variation of this recipe a couple times a month, and it's better than anything you'll find in the store. If you're into hummus, let's make some good. This is everything you're going to need to make this dish. It's all organic, but feel free to substitute as you see fit. As always, the ingredients and measurements will also be listed in the description. Now let's take care of business. I'm making a big batch here that uses 3 15-ounce cans of chickpeas. I personally like to drain and rinse my beans and then remove the skins. This step isn't necessary if you want to speed up the recipe, but I do it for a creamier texture. There are several ways to remove the skins, and all of them take patience, so if you don't have any of that, skip this step. Otherwise, put on some music, your favorite podcast, or just take this time to be in the moment and reflect. This method takes me about 10 to 15 minutes, and what I do is cover the chickpeas with water, grab a bunch, rub them together, and loosen the skins and remove them from the bunch. I'll just keep repeating this until it gets harder to find the skins. I'll never find every single one, and that's okay. I've done this enough times to know I'm good by the amount of peeled skins I have on the side. Now that that's done, or not done, onto the easy stuff. Get the 3 limes ready for squeezing. Roll the dice with a little garlic and then peel them for the food processor. I also chopped up some parsley on the side for garnish. Now onto the food processor. Drop in your 3 15-ounce cans of chickpeas, 2 garlic cloves, half cup of tahini, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, squeeze in the juice of 3 limes, add the seasoning, I have it listed here on the screen, and 1/3 cup of water. I like to let this run for a few minutes, giving it multiple breaks so it doesn't heat up from the friction. Just repeat until it's creamy. This'll work. It's delicious just like this, or you can fancy it up with some extra virgin olive oil, chopped parsley, and even paprika, or whatever your favorite garnish is to complement this dish. And there you have it. Quick and easy hummus that's so good, you might just subscribe. Thanks for watching.